Next I'm going to show you how to use a flat template. Now, flat templates were used a lot before layered templates were invented, and whoever invented layered templates was a genius. But you can see here I have on my bottom layer I have my flat template, which is actually a PNG layer, a ping. They call it a ping layer. PNG is what I always tend to say. I have this photo. I'm going to want to go. Let's turn the eye on. I want to go below the template area because there in this template, flat template, there happens to be a transparent area, and I can just resize it until I get something I like. And this photo, I'm going to also bring it down and put it in to the layer. I see I'm going to have to cut it. I did this tutorial so long ago I don't remember. So I've resized it to fit in the window, but I've got it going out into this area, and I see if I put this layer above this layer, then that one's going to cover up that one, so this photo is going to have to be cut. And so what I want to do, let me move this over a little bit, is to get my magic wand tool and activate it. And let me bring this down a little more so you can see. It needs to be contiguous, because contiguous is going to select everything within it in area instead of the same similar color all over the layout. And I am going to make the template layer the active layer and just hit select. Let me raise this up again now so you can see more, and you'll see marching ants within that window. I'm going to activate my photo layer, and there's several ways to do this, but I'm going to hit Control J to copy it, and then I'm going to turn off the original layer. And I am going to do the same thing with this matte area. I've made my template area the active layer. I'm going to hit with the magic wand, and you can see it makes a selection of that area. I'm going to go up and find the paper layer that I want to fill it with. There's no reason really to click the little eye to make it visible. We only want what we cut to be visible, and I'm going to hit Control J, and you can see it has cut that shape out of this paper layer. And if I don't need this paper layer anymore, I can just get rid of it. It's going to make my file that much larger. For the black areas that are the background areas, I want to make sure that this add to selection is activated, and I am going to hit, before I do that, let me make the template layer the active layer. That's an important step. I'm going to hit into all the black areas because I want all of these areas to be the background paper. And you can see, because I had the add to selection mode selected, it just continued adding to the selection. I'm going to make my background paper the active layer, hit Control J on the keyboard, and now you can see in the little icon how it was cut out. Once you learn how to do the Control J method, it just opens up a whole new worlds. Next, I am going to what needs to be done. Okay, the ribbon layers. I'm going to do the same thing for the ribbon layers. I'm going to activate the template, and I have my magic wand tools. Now I'm going to hit all these white areas that I want to be my ribbon. I'm going to make the paper layer active that I want to be my ribbon layer and hit Control J. And now you can see that those are filled in. And I have my button and my text layers here so that you can see how quickly. Why is that wanting to turn it? Oh, well, I don't want to do that. I must be on the wrong layer. Well, I'm not going to take time to position my text and use up all your time, but you can see how a complete layout can quickly be done, even using the flat templates. If you have any questions, as always, just ask in the forum and I'll do my best to try to answer.